Ngayon, unboxing tayo. Techie tayo ngayon, techie. Pakita ko lang ang pag-unbox at maybe yung pag-setup. Baka sakaling kahit papano makatulong sa mga gustong mag-upgrade ng router. Hey, Teban!
Yo!
Yo!
Go, go, go!
Yeoooph! Magandang araw mga kateban. Ngayon, unboxing muna ulit tayo. Kasi medyo parang semi-lift up na yung lockdown, so bihira na tayo magluto. Pero ngayon, unboxing tayo. Techie tayo ngayon, techie. Kasi if you can remember, nag-assemble ng PC yung si Ryan, tapos yung pangalan ko si CJ. So, nagpa-plan na rin siya mag-assemble ng sarili niyang PC. Parang medyo gusto nila mas mabilis yung speed ng internet. So, yung subscription kasi namin for years, meron namang kasama siyang router. Pero, syempre, hindi naman high-end na routers yung kasama ng mga subscription dito for internet. Though, maganda naman yung speed compared to other modems or routers. So we decided na mag-install ng sarili naming router. Ito yung AX3000. So disclaimer, hindi to sponsored. So pakita yung unboxing and then at the same time install natin mamaya para mas mabilis. Kasi so far ngayon, pag nag-speed speed test, eto siya ngayon. Mabilis na rin siya kasi ang speed test result is download is 94 MB and upload is 19. So nandito tayo sa living room where our router is located. So currently we have 94 and 19 for download. Yeoooph! So open na natin to. This is the TP-Link Archer AX5 AX3000. Yeoooph! Again, this is not sponsored. Pakita ko lang ang pag-unbox at maybe yung pag-setup. Baka sakaling kahit papano makatulong sa mga gustong mag-upgrade ng router. So, ang laman ng box niya, ayan, meron siyang installation guide. So, hindi na natin kailangan yan. May wifi card siya. Tapos, ito yung power adapter niya. Power adapter. RJ45 yung cable niya. Tapos, yan. At, ito na yung pinaka-ano natin. Kaya kasi balak namin mag-upgrade kasi for the past few weeks yung 5G network lagi nagda-drop. So we like using 5G than 2.4G kasi mas mataas yung speed niya. Hopefully by the help of this router mag-double speed. So ito na yung pinaka-router niya. And then, one tip lang, pag nag-set up kayo ng router, like this, 4 antennas, huwag nyo siyang lahat nakatayong ganyan. It should be pointing to a different directions. Something like this. Dapat. Ganyan. Basta hindi siya one direction lang. Iba't ibang direction lang yung setup nyo ng antenna. It helps a lot. So, bali ito na nga yung ating pinaka-router. So, ito yung mga antennas nga niya. Then, ito yung power button. Dito ipa-plug yung power cable. And then, this blue is the wide area network. Yung one niya, para i-connect natin yung RJ45 cable sa ating internet provider box. So, yung ating fiber box, ito yung kukonek natin para sa ating router. Tapos, kung may mga device kayo na ayaw nyo ng wireless, pwede nyo i-connect dito sa mga LAN ports niya. Meron tayong USB kung meron tayong device or meron tayong hard disk na gusto nating i-set up as NAS storage. Tapos meron din siyang reset button. So, ayun, set up na natin to. Yeoooph! Set up na natin tong ating router. Eto, tutulungan ako ng aking panganay, si CJ. So, putulin muna natin ang internet. Ayan, pinapanood pa namin si Kolokoy na kaka-upload lang niya ng video niya na 90 minutes ago. So, Kolokoy, putulin muna kita ha. Ang ingay mo eh. Yeoooph! Ito yung old router namin galing sa provider. So, connected siya sa fiber cable. So, ayan, na-off na namin yung kuryente. Remove mo yung old router, yung sa down. Okay? And then, disconnect this yellow cable from the old one. Disconnect this RJ45 cable. Okay? Okay, leave it. So, ito tanggalin natin tong old router. Okay. Ayan, Yeoooph. So, ayan na yung router natin. May kasama siyang RJ45 cable. Pero hindi na natin siya gagamitin kasi dun sa old connection, meron namang RJ45 cable doon. So, let's go. Set it up. Yan. Paano siya? Connect the yellow cable sa 1. Sa green port. Green port. Okay. And then, switch on mo yung fiber box. Switch on the fiber box. So, yan, nagre-read yung fiber box natin. So, let's wait for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, okay na yung light nung ating wala pa lang light yung internet, yung blinking orange. So, mamaya pa yan pag naka-setup na. Kabit mo na sa ating router yung power cable niya. Yan. Power. Switch it on. Switch on. So, ayan. So, kita nyo, nag-start na siya mag-light. So, isa-set up na lang natin siya sa computer. Yeoooph! Lahat ng lights na kailangan natin, naka-light na. So, set up na natin sa PC. So, para mas madali mag-setup, instead of wireless, kasi nga hindi pa siya makaka-receive ng internet, so, ikabit natin to sa isang port. Any port, 1 to 4 ng ating local area port. Let's connect to 1. So, gagamit muna tayo ng Ethernet cable. Nung naka-physical setup na yung ating router, so, kailangan natin i-set up sa PC or sa phone. So, the best thing is to connect Ethernet cable, RJ45 cable, connected to your PC. Now, we have internet. So, pwede tayong kumonect sa gateway. Full screen. Ayan. So, naka-set up na yung physical router natin. So, let's go to the internet. Let's connect to the TP-Link default. And then, you will be given password sa ilalim. It's written underneath the router, or they will have a card with a written password as well. So, let's key in the password. And connect. So, we have internet now, see? So, let's go to the default gateway. Okay, this is the login page to configure our router. So, the password is, we will create an admin password. Admin password. Hi. Okay. Now we're in.
Sweet.
Never. So, set up. Enter your time zone. We should be Wellington. Auckland, Wellington. Okay, next. So let's select PPPoE, usually for ADSL modem provider. Then next. So let's set up our 2.4G wireless and 5G wireless with the name. So we normally use, so let's use Hey Teban 2.4. Hey underscore Teban underscore 2.4, and the other one is Hey underscore Teban underscore 5G. So let's create password. Password is in. Next. Then save. So now we were asked to connect to our newly configured wireless network, Yeoooph. So I'm connecting to Hey Teban 5G. So type in the password. Let's try to connect. Ooh, connected to the network. Let's try to re-log in. So now here's our network. So ayan, meron na tayong wireless network setup. So okay na tayo. Yeoooph.